You heard that if you want to learn machine learning, then you should know either Python or either R programming languages. So these two programming languages are not the only resource that you know to implement machine learning models. So these programming languages are mostly used for the cleansing of the data, and it is very easy to implement model by using Python or R. You just need to call the model, put some parameters, you need to select the model according to the business problem, and that's it. But if you want to tweak the model, if you want to adjust some parameters within the models, then you should know the underlying mathematics. So it is very important to learn and understand the underlying mathematics for machine learning. So in this video, I am sharing with you some couple of resources that I have found on the internet. So I thought it will be very useful for you as well. So the first resource is the Khan Academy. So Khan Academy is the best resource that I have ever found on the internet, and you can learn different mathematics areas. So you just need to go to the khanacademy.org/math, and here you can see this. There are different mathematics level, started from the early math, kindergarten, first grade. But for you, the most important mathematics that you have to learn, these are pre-algebra, algebra basic, algebra 1, and then algebra 2, trigonometry, statistics, and probability. And if you click here, courses, so here you can see these are the courses are available, and you can choose which course you want to learn. So for the machine learning, you should be very good in linear algebra, differential equations, multivariable calculus, statistics, probability, pre-calculus. So these are very valuable resources that you can learn from the Khan Academy. And after Khan Academy, the second resource is there is a free book on statistics from Stanford University. So this book is freely available, and you can also find the YouTube lectures from these professors who has written this book. So let me show you. So here you can see the web.stanford.edu, and this is the book that is freely available. Here is the YouTube channel that here, and here you can find all the available videos. So they have made chapter wise videos, and these videos are to the point, very small videos, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and these videos are very useful. The next resource is again another book for machine learning mathematics. It is again is free, and let me show you some contents. So here you can see this book is available on GitHub as well as a part 1 that contain introduction and motivation, linear algebra, analytical geometry, matrix decomposition, vector calculus, probability, continuous optimization, and the second part is model when models meet data linear regression and all these things. So you can download this book from this link. So I will put all these links below this video. The last resources, there is one Coursera course from Imperial College, London. This is the mathematics for machine learning specialization. Normally you have to pay for this course, but if you do audit for this course, then all the contents will be free available to you. So here you can see this is the mathematics for machine learning specialization. There are 3 courses available, like mathematics for machine learning, linear algebra, multivariate calculus, and PCA. So all these resources are the best resources that I have ever found on the internet. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you.